Today I will design a PSIM, how we design a PSM software by simulation, run simulation, and first we describe how to pick up a component and design a circuit. So firstly we open a file, we see in the top of the and file we create new, and then new window will be open, and this window will design first, and we see the bottom of the PSIM software. We see first component is electrical ground. We know about ground, and so we know ground, and we, we pick up a ground by using left mouse key and place the in page, and left also mouse we place the component, and also in same procedure we pick up a resistor. We see resistor, and the same procedure we follow, and then we pick up inductor, and then same procedure we follow, and then we pick up capacitor. We know the value in theoretically how the shape will, and this shape will you can flip capacitor also resistor, and by using mouse right click we can flip resistor, capacitor, or an extra and or any other component. And we also pick up a diode in bottom line of PSIM software, and we also see diode. And the next our important is voltmeter. We know voltmeter, voltmeter and emitter. This is the use of emitter and voltmeter. We know voltmeter basically using volt measure the voltage, and we see two type of voltmeter, and emitter is we can use two type of voltmeter, and we see no emitter is basically measure the current, and we see DC voltage source. Firstly it's a DC voltage source. We know DC voltage source is measuring plus and minus. We see AC voltage source, this is a sine wave. We know AC voltage source measure in sine wave, so this is a sine wave. And this is also triangular shape, and this is also a voltage source, square shape, and this is another voltage source. It's a step up or step down. Basically if we want to see the theoretical, when we can see the value what voltage source is using, and this is we can clear the shape by using the select the component, and using keyboard delete key we can delete. Then we try to design a circuit by we place 6 resistor in series, then we use DC voltage source, and we measure a current in this circuit. So we connect emitter for a whole circuit, and we top of the bottom we collect wire for wiring, and complete the wiring by using mouse left key. We complete the wiring each other. We complete the wiring by resistor and also voltage source, and we place a ground and wiring the ground. In this circuit we measure only current in this circuit, so we can measure voltage by across resistor. So we place a voltmeter across each resistor. We can measure drop of the voltage of resistor. So we connected resistor in parallelly. We know parallelly voltage voltmeter is connected. So we connected voltmeter is parallelly each resistor. We also connected the voltmeter each resistor, 6 resistors, so we use 6 voltmeter parallelly. So we can name of the input voltage be in, and if we want to show in this name in the simulation page, so we can check the box. If we uncheck, this is not show in the, and we check, so it is show in the simulation page. And also we name of the emitter, which we click checkbox, and this is show in the simulation page. And also we naming the resistor and change the value. And checkbox on this name is show in the simulation page. Change the all the value of resistor name and value in, we see in the video, and we see the how to change the value and naming the resistor, capacitor and voltmeter. We also see basically in this circuit we use resistor and voltmeter and emitter and DC volt source is using. We click the checkbox on, and this value will be show, naming will be the show in the in this page, simulation page. We change the value also, and click checkbox and on the name in simulation page, show the name. We also change the voltmeter name. Extra wiring we can be delayed because none is the connection not complete, the simulation not on, so extra wiring is delayed. By using delete key, we can name change of the voltmeter. We use name voltmeter V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7. Then you can save the file, or we open simulation control. If we run the simulation control 0.01 second, then we simulation control is open simulation control, we see watch step shift, and this is placed in the simulation page, and we see the simulation time is 0.01 second. We click OK, and we is mandatory to quick version to simulation time fix 0.01 second, and we run simulation on, and we see I1 V1 V2. We click I1 V1 V2 V3. Okay, add, and click OK. We see the add. We can split the I and V value in extra window. We can change. So we click this button, and in another window will open. We B1 to B6 we place another window, see the graph, we see I1 and B1 B2 B1 to B6 in see in another window. We change this, we split the I1 and B2 B6 line, we can change by separately. We see if we want to I1 and V2 will be C, and then we click OK and we see in the value in the graph. We can measure extra value in what you need in the your project. We can see this value by using this extra input line. We see, and we can change the graph also separately. We can have also I1 and B6 graph in extra window. We can change by using one value in one window. We see another function of PSIM. We see we can use power and transformer and any other component we can use by using PSIM. We can another type of other components or another simulation will be open. This is a basic class, so we see how we use a PSIM, also pick up component and how we will design and complete wiring. This is our basic course. So thank you everyone. This is our, and we see our what I am PSIM design. Thank you.